God, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? That was insane. All right, well, I had just done my outro for the first part of the video, and hopefully y'all watched part 1 of the video. If you haven't, go back and check it out. But there's the first fish of part 2. There he is. Just flipped that rage bug up there to that wood and come up, and he was all over it. So we're starting off this part 2 in the right direction. Looking good. I mean, we're right here all around this wood. I mean, I might just be able to drop right down there. There's no telling. I'm excited. We should be able to just absolutely smoke some big ones. The fish are starting to pick up a little bit. Got these clouds in here. I think our chances of getting another big one are really good. Really good. Another good one. Another good one right there. We are starting off this part 2 right with a solid one. There we go. That is number 27. Number 27. Get that bad boy out. Boom. Starting off part 2 with a bang. See you later, bud. I don't think that this little frog is gonna last us through the rest of the trip. I surely hope so, but I don't think it is. As many fish as we're catching, whew, man, we are in for a good time. Definitely got to buy some more of these. This tiny frog has kind of saved the day. I'm not gonna lie about that. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know that a fish had it. I'm sitting here trying to work my frog. I can't even see it. I threw up there to that beaver hut and I was bringing it around that corner and I literally could not even see my frog. And I come up and I was like, my line is not even where it's supposed to be. That is wild. That is number 28. 28. And I might be getting number 29 right here in a second. Oh, that is another good one. Oh my God, he is so wild. God. I mean, 100 miles per hour. I mean, absolutely. Ooh, that dude is nasty. That dude right there is a little on the nasty side. Ooh. Get this thing out and get him on back in the water. Yeah, he's kind of ate up. Let him go. I don't know what he's got going on. And it's funny how, like, when you fish through the day, you can see the change in, like, the fish's attitude almost, like how they become so aggressive to a lure, you know, and they won't bite in earlier. It's really weird, but it's absolutely awesome. I saw, oh, that's a big one. I saw him come underneath of it. I saw him come underneath of it and look at it. I mean, it is gone. Oh no. Oh no, we're all wrapped up in a rod. There we go, he come out. Let's see, I mean, that thing is absolutely gone. Come here, bud. Choked. That is another good one. It's like just the good ones have come up and started feeding. I mean, that bad dude is gone. Completely choked. Nice fish. Lens got a little water on it. Yep. Trying to keep this lens clean for y'all. There we go. Pretty dude right there. That is number 30. Man, I saw that fish. He just like come up under it and just sat there. And then he just went on it, just ate it. Freaking awesome. Oh my. Oh my. That's a big one. Got it. He's not quite as big as I thought, but it's a doggone nice one. It is a good one. Still easily a freaking 2-pounder. Make sure I don't get this hook in my hand. Ooh, it just popped right out. Pretty dude. There we go. Thank you. Woo. All right. Now, so my frog is starting to slide up my line. I don't like that because a lot of times that means your frog is going to start kind of screwing up on you. But right now, we doing all right. So that was that 31? That was 31. I believe that was 31. Yeah. Oh my, oh God, oh God. That bass literally ate it off the bank. He literally ate it off the bank. That was crazy. And it come back and hit me in my stomach, luckily. Luckily, it did not stick in me. Oh. These bass right here are fired up. I mean, there's a bass blowing up here in front of me, eating minnows or something. I don't know what is it. Oh my God, look at that wake. There's a giant behind it. That was a huge wake. Oh man. Oh. I don't know if that was him or not. Got it. Yep, good one. I mean, a big one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a big one right there. That fish weight, oh my God. He's gonna take me all up in snake territory. That's one thing with a kayak is you have no control. Oh, oh my God. We're in here. Oh God, a snake just moved up there in front of us. Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one. Oh, look, he's up there on the mat, flopping around. Oh my goodness. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Oh. Let me get my hands on. Oh God, I had my hand in his mouth and he come. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna tell y'all what, that was just a fiasco. I just saw, I don't see him now, but when I went up against that that stuff right there, I saw a doggone snake move. Check that dude out. That fish right there moved up underneath of it and waked it, and I threw back up there. I mean, another Absolute tank of a fish right there. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I don't know how good the lighting is because it's a little bit kind of dark and cloudy, but man, that is a pretty one. Pretty fish. Boom, baby. Get another picture of him, or a picture of him real quick, and then we'll look at my phone. It is soaking wet. Right out there, I mean up underneath all that trash. What a tank. Thank you, buddy. I don't know if this one's gonna walk for us. I mean, that is a nice fish right there. Come on, do that dance. He's not gonna do it. He just wants to go back down. I don't blame him. Right there in all that trash. I mean, just, he come out and waked it the first time, and when I threw back up there and I just walked it really slow, he just couldn't take it. Man, awesome fish. But it just, you know, when you're in a kayak, you don't have no control. I mean, he just put me up there in straight up snake territory. Snake territory. I saw that snake move. I saw that grass move. I was like, oh God. No. Oh, that was fun. Man, we were catching some good ones. Oh, God, another big one. Another big one. Oh my goodness. I mean, they are mad. They are mad. Come here. There we go. Another good one. I mean, this is fun. This is fun. Thank you, buddy. Man, this is crazy. They are just chomping. They are chomping this little frog. All right, so I believe that was number 36. I think that was number 36. Like, those big fish have really turned on and got dialed in. Like, they are biting. Oh, that was crazy. I saw that bass come out from underneath that log. That is awesome. Just freaking like figure one to bass. Oh, he just jumped in the boat. This is awesome. This is awesome. That's number 37. I mean, a doggone good one right there. This is, I mean, that bass come following it, and I just had it right at the rod tip, and he blew up on it and ate it. Man. Thank you, buddy. That fish smoked it. Oh. Come here. Ooh, that was almost bad. Here's number 39. Right there. Thank you, buddy. See you later. My hook almost, oh no, rod and reel in the water. My hook almost come off on that one. Almost need to tie some braid. I've seen where, oh my goodness, why do I keep dropping this in the water? I've seen where some people like tie braid around the hook to prevent that from happening. I've never had it as an issue with my bigger frogs, but the smaller one, it might be a little bit, you know, the hook ain't quite as heavy, so it might spread a little bit easier. But that was number 39. Tell you, it's really a nice, beautiful day out here today. Like it's not overly hot. It was actually hotter when I first started. But you know, this cloud cover is nice. The sun's trying to peak again a little bit, but not bad. Really, really nice. I think we're gonna get number 40 right here in a second. There's one, I mean, just come and just snuck up underneath of it and ate it. Number 40. There's number 40. I mean, just slipped right underneath of it and just choked it. Number 40, pretty little dude. All right, let's get back up there. That's a good little spot. And I'm gonna tell y'all, and I could be totally wrong on this, but I feel strongly that if I hadn't have brought these little frogs, I don't think that I would be catching the fish that I'm catching. I mean, you know, and like I said, I could be wrong. You know, I'd have to tie on a big frog and throw that some to prove otherwise. But I just was not getting bit in the beginning on the bigger frog. You know, caught a few, but then I was throwing around some stuff that I should have been getting bit on. And then when I put on that smaller profile, I immediately started getting bit. So I think it definitely has something to do with the size of the frog. Did I just have my GoPro on for that? Did y'all just see that bass? Oh, I see the bass. Oh, it's 2 of them. It's 3 bass right there. Let's see if I can catch one of them. I don't see him now. As soon as I threw it up there, he ate it. So is this 44? I think this is 44. Little guy. I mean, there he is right there. It was 3 of them together. That's so cool. Oh, there we go. There's 45. I mean, up there in no water. Like, no water whatsoever. I meant to grab my kayak. I think he'll get away from me. Get him back in the water. That is so cool. Get these fish in these little teeny holes and they can just stay in them, you know, just when it's low like this and just feed. He was up there in no water whatsoever. Go on back, bud. I mean, right there in just that little teeny hole. And I mean, the thing is, you wouldn't think it, but I mean, there can be 5-pounders in those little holes like that. I mean, he just came up out of nothing. Literally no water. All right, so I think we got 46 is where we're at. Caught that little small one when I got out pulling the kayak. So, ooh, bass is smooth right there. So we got 46. So we got 4 more to go before we get 50. Just 4 more to go, which is crazy. Pretty doggone crazy, but I knew, you know, when I was coming today, I was like, I think they're gonna bite. I think they're gonna bite. So, and the good thing is we've caught some good ones, which one bit it right there, which I don't think that one's bit it. That was, oh, I'm gonna get bit right here. What I tell y'all? I saw him move. I saw him move. All right, cool. He is little. He is a little teeny guy. There we go. That might be the smallest of the day, actually. But that's number 47. Oh, I'm kind of semi-stuck on this log. I ain't gonna lie. Dadgummit, my rod tip keeps getting hung. Oh, we're off. I was a little bit concerned there for a second. That one, we got that one. Oh God, that's a lot bigger one than what I thought. Oh, come here, that is a nice one. That is a nice one. Yep, that is number 48. That's a really nice fish. Come here. Get in here. Oh my goodness, if I can get him in here. Come here. That is a thick one. I mean, absolutely choked that frog. There goes my reel in the water again. We're gonna have to oil and grease that thing good when we get home. But that is another nice fish right there. I got a feeling my lens has, no, trying to keep my lens clean for y'all, but that is a good one. I mean, it had been quite a while since I'd caught one, but thank you, bud. He's a little feisty. He might give us a jump. No, he is not. They don't want to jump for us today. That's all right. We did get that one earlier. That was really pretty. But see, that fish smoked it. You know, it's just, I don't know. You got to come across the right fish. That's really all it is to it. Good deal. So that was number 48. 48. I just cut the camera off to cut it back on and I just got smoked. There he is. There he is. 49. 49. Right there, 49. If I can get the hook out of him. Come on, let's get, got me in the face. All right, let's get number 50. Let's get number 50. I think I see where I'm gonna get him at too. I hope so anyway. There he is. Oh yeah. Number 50. Number 50, y'all. Man, we have fished hard today and we have had a good time. I mean, we have had a good time. Number 50, that was our goal. We're floating all up here. We got spiders all around us and everything else, but that was our goal, was to get 50 fish, and we got him. Number 50, got him on that frog. Caught 3 quick. I mean, went a while and didn't catch any, and yes, sir. Thank you. I'm gonna fish just a tad bit longer. I'm gonna fish through this next stretch. And that is going to be it. I'm going to start paddling to get back because it's actually way later than what I was planning on getting off the water. I actually was kind of planning on being off by 5, but it is 4:46 and I've got a pretty good ways to go before I get back to the launch that I'm taking out at. So we're going to see if we catch a few more and maybe a big one. But if we don't, we're going to get right and start paddling so we can get our butts on back at a decent hour. One just pulled it under there. Yep, so we can get back at a decent hour because I actually got to get back and I got to edit a video to put out for y'all. And I got some other stuff to do. I got some straps to make for some people that have ordered, which I greatly appreciate. Y'all don't even know how much I appreciate that everybody that's went and ordered some rod tie downs and different stuff that's on my website. So I really appreciate that. But we're gonna see if we can get a couple more. That might be a fish. It's a good spot right here in front of us, and then probably after that we're gonna just straight up get to paddling so we can get back. There's one. Oh, that was wild. 51. Number 51. Yep, we're gonna just fish this one little spot right here, and then we're gonna call it. We have had a heck of a day. A heck of a day. I mean, awesome. God, I don't know why I haven't kayaked and done this. I don't know why. Just busy and just going out in the boat and all that. But man, this is so much fun. It takes you just completely back to your basics. No graphs, no nothing. I know a lot of people that kayak now, they have, you know, all kinds of stuff on their kayaks, and it's about like a darn bass boat, really. But you know, just taking it back to the basics and just fishing and having fun, and that's just what it's all about, you know. And I mean, sometimes doing YouTube, oh, missed him. Sometimes doing YouTube, you know, I'm a little tough on myself about fishing and really grinding hard and trying to get, you know, really good content for you all, you know. I mean, that's what I try to do. And then, you know, I'm really tough on myself sometimes, and when you fish somewhere that's tough, it can be really stressful when the fish aren't biting good. So, you know, I got a wind knot in my line, but we're gonna let it rip right now. We're gonna let it rip. We'll put new line on when we get home. But it has been a fun day. But it's like now it's done clouded up again a little bit, and the fish have kind of got a little bit more aggressive. But something that's gonna really excite y'all, I believe, is the next time I go fishing, unless I go this week, and I might, but the next tournament I fish is gonna be a frog only bass tournament. Frogs only, hollow body frogs only. It is gonna be a good time. It's gonna be super fun, and I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. You know, potentially could be tough, potentially could be some big bags weighed in. You know, we'll just have to see. We will have to see, but that's coming up this weekend, and that is going to be a super fun time. So we're going to fish right through this one last little spot. All right, this is it. That is the last cast of the day. Caught 52 bass, caught some on the rage bug, most of them on the frog. Making the switch to this little frog was definitely the move. That little teeny frog, and the shad frog was actually doing a little bit better than this pumpkin seed color, but my shad frog caught so many, it got absolutely destroyed. So we're gonna take this thing on back. I'm gonna, you know, call my wife and tell her to come pick us up from the launch, but we got a little ways to paddle. So we better get to it. We better get to it.